Preposition activity. Are you ready, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, sit down, children, all of you. Sit down, all of you. Jump over. Again, jump over. Stand up. Go under. All of you go under. All of you go under. Stand up. Come in. Come outside. Go beside. Go behind. Move around. Stop. Stand in between. Very good.